There is a famous quote by the philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre: "Hell is other people." It is very easy to be spiritual when you are alone in a cave. It is very easy to feel like a powerful, enlightened player when you are meditating in your room. But then you log into the multiplayer server. Your boss yells at you. Your partner triggers your abandonment wound. A troll leaves a nasty comment on your post. Suddenly, your zen is gone. You aren't acting like a divine soul. You are reacting like a glitching computer. Welcome back to Earth Online, the Player's Manual. Today, we are tackling the hardest level in the game: relationships. We are going to talk about why some people seem to be running on autopilot NPCs and how to stop their lag from crashing your game. In video games, an NPC, non-player character, is a character controlled by the computer. They have a set script. They say the same lines. They walk the same path. Now, in Earth Online, I don't believe anyone is soulless. Everyone has a divine spark. But many people are playing in NPC mode. This means they have lost connection with their player, spiritual body. They are running 100% on their mental body programming. If you press the politics button, they recite the script. If you press the anger button, they attack. They are asleep at the wheel. Here is the trap. You are trying to have a conscious, heart-centered interaction with someone who is running a script. You are trying to negotiate with a recording, and when they don't respond like a conscious human, you get frustrated, you get hurt. Stop trying to wake up the NPCs. Your job is to make sure you don't fall asleep while talking to them. So why do these interactions drain us? Why do you feel tired after arguing with your family? In BodyMaitre, we call this psychic hooks. In gaming terms, this is bandwidth leeching. When you have a strong emotional reaction to someone, whether it's hate, jealousy, or even overprotective worry, you are essentially throwing a grappling hook into their avatar. You attach a cable. Now your system is trying to process your game data plus their game data. Your CPU usage spikes to 100%. Your game starts to lag. You aren't tired because you are empathic. You are tired because you have 50 active cables running to people who are stressing you out. You are leaking your battery life into their server. Most people think the solution is to block the person. I'm cutting them out of my life. But you can block them on your phone and still be hooked to them energetically. If you are still angry at them, the cable is still there. The lag continues. The BodyMaitre solution is different. We don't necessarily delete the person, we delete the cable. We use dowsing to check, do I have negative psychic hooks attached to person X? Pendulum, yes. What is the underlying main energy, belief, or programming causing the psychic hooks attachment? Physical body, nervous system easily influenced by others. Is it safe to clear them now? Pendulum, yes. We clear the hook. We identify the root causes, we delete the program, we retrieve the energy. When you clear the hook, something amazing happens. You stop caring so much. You stop reacting. They can run their NPC script, they can yell, they can be dramatic, but you don't lag. You stay in your power. This is what true forgiveness is. It's not saying what you did is okay. It's saying, I am closing the connection so you can no longer drain my battery. My friends, you cannot control the other characters in this game. You cannot force an NPC to become a player, but you can control your connection speed. Check your hooks, clear your cables, reclaim your bandwidth, because the next level of the game requires all your energy. In the next episode, we face the ultimate choice. Do you want to use your energy to build a better life in the game? Or do you want to use it to leave the game entirely? I'm Darreck. Don't let the NPCs grind you down. See you in the next level.